Greetings! Today, we will go over the process of canceling or pausing your TenantCloud subscription in just a few quick steps. Let's dive in. First, click on your profile icon at the top right of your dashboard, then choose Settings. Within Settings, click on My Plan under the Subscription section. Click the Actions menu in the top right corner, then select Pause Subscription or Cancel Subscription. Quick tip: if you plan to cancel your account, export your data first so it's available for future reference. If you chose the Pause Subscription option, you will see a message informing you that the subscription will be paused for 90 days and the date when the billing will be automatically resumed. If you went in with the cancellation flow, choose Keep My Account to go back, or Cancel and Lose Access to proceed. Feel free to share your reason for canceling. This feedback helps us improve your experience. Click Continue to move to the next step. You can choose the date for the cancellation, either immediately or at the end of the current period. To finalize, enter your password and type Delete My Account to confirm. Agree to the terms and press the Delete Account button. When you are done, your account will be canceled. And that's it! You've learned how to adjust your subscription. If you need more help, don't hesitate to reach out to the TenantCloud support team. Thanks for watching!